river.
Rolling, rolling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be starting a new series documenting my fitness journey, and I will be getting bodied by Bex. Okay, so this is my best friend Becky, and she is a personal trainer. Tell them all your certifications, sis.
I'm certified with NASM, and I'm also getting a pain-free performance specialist certification.
Yes, so she is going to be training me, getting this body right and ready for summer, and I just wanted to document it for you guys and also just, you know, showcase her awesome training abilities, okay? Because, look, baby.
You can get her right.
Yeah.
Nice
okay.
and tight.
Period.
Alright, so now we're going to talk about Ariel's background and her fitness journey that she's had before.
So I really haven't had much of a journey. I would say I worked out consistently for a period in college, not the whole 4 years, but like
With me.
really with Becky. When Becky was there, she really was like putting in work, getting me to the gym every day. So I already know sis is about to really get me right, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, besides that, like when I was in quarantine, I tried to do like the home workouts and I got smaller than what I am now. So I was like, okay, home workouts are not for me. I need to go to the gym. I need to build, like I need to build this body. So
Yes.
Becky reached out, was like, let's do a little something. So here we are, ready to provide this journey for you.
Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get her measurements, her weight, and all of her initial data. See where she's starting off at.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to do Ariel's measurements. Do you want to tell them what your goals are?
So my goals are really to build my booty, get thicker thigh, just honestly thicker legs overall. I want my quads to be popping, yeah. And I want to like strengthen my hamstrings. I also want like more toned arms and more defined abs.
Alright, so we're going to start off with your right arm. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is go like this. And then I'm just going to measure. Yeah. Alright, so the right arm is at 8.5. Okay, left arm. Almost. Left arm's 8.5 too.
Okay, we got some proportion.
Good job. Alright, so let's do this waist. The goal is for the waist to stay approximately the same size or even shrink. But since we're going to be increasing her calories, her stomach might be bloated most of the time, and her waist might expand a little bit. We just want to make sure the body fat stays low while we gain. Okay. So I'm going to have you hold this here. Okay. And just make a spin.
All the way. 360.
Alright, the waist is at 26. Alright, so now we're going to do her hips. So for the glutes, it's going to be the largest part of your booty. And I'll have you walk around. Yeah. Alright, so we are at 36.5. Alright, so now we're going to do her thighs, which is going to be the largest part of her thighs, which is going to usually be like right around here. Big. 21.5. Okay. Mm-hmm. So bring it up a little bit. Not that much. Mm-hmm.
21.5.
Okay.
Okay, proportion. Have you ever gotten people that are like,
Yes.
disproportionate? But yeah.
I am too.
Yeah.
This
I
quad
think
is bigger.
No, I swear this calf is bigger than this calf.
It
We
probably
gonna
is.
see when we get down.
Okay, so now we're going to do your calves. We got right and left calf.
Alright, so just do the same thing.
Mm-hmm. Calves are at 12. 12.5. What? So now we're going to get her weight and see where she currently is weighing. Go ahead and step on the scale, babe. 129.6.
129.6.
Okay. So turn your hips towards me. Alright, side. This hand goes on your head like you're playing with your hair.
Just like this.
There you go. Alright, and then front. Alright.